Richard Hwnt ydw i, a fi yw cadeirydd y bwrdd Seren. Cyhoeddwr ydyn ni, ac rydyn ni'n cyhoeddi mewn 3 maes arbennig, barddoniaeth, llyfrau ffeithiol a ffuglen. Ond yn uwchben hynny, wrth gwrs, rydyn ni'n gwneud lot o ddigwyddiadau i hyrwyddo llyfrau i gydweithio a phobl. Mae'n lot mwy na just cyhoeddi llyfrau.
Community aspects are really big with Seren. We run a lot of events, lots of them in independent bookshops like this one, Octavo's in Cardiff Bay. We also do monthly events where we encourage people to take part in open mic, helping people to engage with literature. We also ran Cardiff's first poetry festival in February 2018, so we do a lot of social stuff.
Wel, rydyn ni wedi tyfu yn dda iawn yn y blwyddyn diwethaf, ac wrth gwrs rydyn ni'n gallu buddsoddi'r arian rydyn ni wedi ennill i mewn i'r cwmni, i mewn i lyfrau newydd, a gallwn ni gymryd mwy o risgiau efallai na buon ni'n cael wneud o'r blaen.
We're hoping that we'll continue to grow and reach new audiences. We're investing a lot of time in putting the word out about our authors, trying more video content online to try and get more people involved and put Welsh literature and culture on the map, really.